We talked about TED Talks and how great they were for learning vocabulary and also for increasing our listening vocabulary, hearing a word and seeing the word and repeating the word from our own mouths at the same time to make us to help us more deeply learn it. And some of the things that we talked about was that, first of all,
I've moved about 20 times in my life. And each time that I move to a new neighborhood, a new city, a new country, it seems to get harder and harder to sustain the friendships that I left behind. But right now, sustaining those friendships seems especially important and especially difficult. So I'm wondering, what is manageable?
By looking at the
How can I keep those friendships afloat without getting overwhelmed?
Also, the captions for TED Talks, the official TED Talk page, are really accurate because they're not only checked by one person, but they're also checked by another person, a volunteer, and they're viewed and checked by many, many people. Captions on other parts of, for example, YouTube, some of them might be accurate, but some of them might be automatic, where the computer actually does the reading and translating of the words, listening and translating of the words. Let's look at the same video, and this is not on. This is a TED Talk video, but it's on YouTube. It doesn't have the transcripts and information that we saw before, but recently, for many, many videos, on the right-hand side below the video, there's 3 dots. If we click on that menu, we can open a transcript. And basically, it's very similar to what's on YouTube and what's on TED Talks.
My life. And each time that I move to a new neighborhood, a new city, a new country, it seems to get harder and harder to sustain the friendship. How can I keep those friendships afloat without... I've moved about 20 times in my life. And each time...
We can see that there's very similar kind of function that's been added to many, many YouTube videos. But to be careful, TED videos usually are very well transcribed, but other videos are automatically transcribed, so they may have mistakes in words. And when you do open the transcript, you may have a memo to that. Also remember, you can change to a different language for the transcript, also in YouTube. So try it out. Try TED Talks on YouTube, but try other YouTube videos too, and see what kind of listening and vocabulary learning functions you can find. Thank you.